Alright, yes, welcome again to my channel, and this is the ReStyle project again. And yes, as you can see, I have a jean here. Matagal ko na siyang na-DIY mga guwaps, ginawan ko lang ng short. So as you can see, there is an extra fabric. If you know me, I really keep extra fabric at hindi ako nagsasayang. So eventually, pag may naisip na ako na pwede kong gawin, tsaka ko siya gagamitin. And this is the video that I'll be going to show you kung saan ko siya gagamitin. And if you're ready, and if you want to know where I'm gonna use this, just keep on watching. And yes, things that we need here is a loose big white t-shirt and that extra fabric. And of course, you have to measure the sleeve from that tip of the shoulder to your wrist. Show na pwede natin gawan pa ng paraan yung extra fabric pag once nag-cut tayo ng short out of our jeans. Alright, so this is one example. Kasi malamig na yung panahon, umuulan na naman, so naisipan kong gumawa nito. Yan, maganda din naman siya, fashionable siya tingnan. And yeah, I hope this helped mga gloves and hope you like it as well. If you like it, just click that like